Hey, Pucky Pucky. Good boy. You know how to turn the corner?
Yeah, Pucky Pucky. Turn it around. You turn your trolley around.
Ooh.
Mummy to turn it around for you. Go. Come on in. Come on in. Going for a walk.
Neat, alright?
Going. Yeah. And you're telling us a big story. Where are you walking to? Are you going to the supermarket? Going to the supermarket with your trolley?
Taking Monkey and Teddy for a walk.
Are you going to buy the groceries? Are
Hey,
you going to
bud.
visit the doggy? Are you going to visit the doggy? Doggy, yeah. What about the cat? Are you going to visit the cat? A Pucky Pucky. Are you going to read a book in your trolley? Yeah? Is that a good idea? You're going to go for a walk with your trolley and read a book.
Hi. Hi.
Boogie Boogie, Daddy.
Hi. Want to turn it around one more time?
Let me help you turn it around.
Neat, alright, eh? What an awesome toy. Where you go?
You go. Ooh, big wall.
Good boy.
Oh.
Oh.
See Daisy. Yay!
Well done, son.
Nice walking. Nice walking. Puka 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 puka.